All right, my friends, have I got a treat for you today? It is a treat, but it is a dirty one. So a lot of people will focus a lot of their attention on the outside. They completely neglect the interior detailing of a car. Now, my cars on the inside, I want them to be crisp, clinical, clean, non-shiny, and just OEM, whether they've done 10 miles and 100,000 miles. Now, I've had the pleasure of actually seeing a proper dirty steering wheel, so I can actually showcase to you what I'm about to show you. Now, this steering wheel, I've left my gloves off for a reason. Can you hear that? It's actually taken the palm of my skin actually with it as I'm lifting my hand. I mean, this wheel is, it's horrific. So I'm going to show you 3 ways in which you can clean a steering wheel, why you would do one of the 3 ways, and why you sometimes want to do the whole 3 ways, depending on your car detailing journey and dependent on your car. So let's get cracking. So on this steering wheel here, you can see my lighting is just picking it up perfectly. It is just grimy and it's horrible. Now there's 3 levels in which way you can hit this. So usually, and the most common way that you're going to do it is the least aggressive way. You will take one of our interior towels, okay? You will put a little bit of our unbelievable interior cleaner, and you will just proceed to go and wipe down the steering wheel. Now, this method is reserved for cars that have been perfected and have just got your general weekly up to 4 weekly kind of dirt. Now, the second way is you take one of our interior spec brushes, you then load up said brush with, again, the interior cleaner, and you will continue to come and agitate this. Now, this is the in-between method. I do this once every 4 to 8 weeks, depending obviously what car, how many miles I've done. Now, I like this one. It's very therapeutic. I just love seeing the foam build up. Now, the more practical reason why you would do this is the bristles are soft yet tough enough. Now, this is not one of these horrific Far Eastern brushes. This brush has got, look, see, the brush moves first before the actual bristle splay. See, it's got rigidity. It's quite hard to actually get this all the way to kind of splay. See, I have to put some real pressure to actually do it. Now, this will actually get deep into the pores, and this will exfoliate kind of the surface in a very mild way. And then the ultimate way that you do it is you take one of our exfoliators. Now, this I do once every quarter. I love this thing. Now, if you've used this, you're about to see exactly why this is worth the money. So as a test, I'm going to take a fresh towel. I'm going to load it up with a few sprays, as you've seen, interior cleaner, and I would wipe it. All right. Now, see, very tacky. Now you look at this and you've picked up a lot of dirt, right? So a lot of people go, oh, great. So let me go and imagine secondary towel. I will go and wipe it, and it's lost its shine, but it's still a little bit sheeny, let's say. Now, to most people, this is enough. Now, I will do it for a second time, just to show you the true power of what's coming next. Again, I'm going to wipe it. All right, I've pulled even more dirt off. So again, this time we're attacking the real dirt. I'm starting to knock back the shine again, but it's still a little bit sheeny because this wheel requires something more aggressive. So this is a fresh virgin exfoliator. All right, a couple of sprays. I'm then going to wrap it around. Are you ready? Oh, I've got something coming for you. Oh my God. Oh my holy mother of God. That, that is horrific. Just look at it. Now, what you then do is you take your virgin towel. Again, this is just a new towel, dry. Now, boom. if you look at that, oh, in real life, whether the camera's picking it up or not, but that is just unbelievable. This is how a steering wheel should look. Now, I mean, you can't reuse this side now, so we're gonna have to flip it over. I'm gonna do the whole steering wheel this time. I'm just gonna, again, I haven't touched the bottom bit, and I'm just gonna hit it a few circles, a few rotations to really get the 360 out. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. You thought that was bad. Oh my God. Now, this is just the true power of our interior cleaner. The degreases that are in there, obviously they penetrate the substrate, of this case in the leather, but you could do the same thing on plastics, any kind of textured surface. Look at that. Now I'm just looking at here. Now that is what you call, I mean, look, even on that wipe, I picked it up. Now that now, I don't know if you could tell this, it's just not sticky. It's slick and matte at the same time. Of course, this is a cleaner, this leaves no dressings behind. But what I mean by slick, it's just, you know when you can feel a clean surface and you can feel a dirty surface, even though it looks clean. That, guys, is how you professionally clean a steering wheel. Now, you can, in any sense, of course, you can do any one of the 3 steps. So, for example, now, this car's going to get used 1, 2, 3 weeks in. At this point, you would take, you know, again, a fresh towel. And at this point, when you go and wipe it down, that's not going to be a problem. And then, again, every so often, again, for me, I do it every quarter. If you want to do it weekly, monthly, it's completely up to you. I don't know how much everybody who watches this video drives the car, whether you eat cheeseburgers and fish and chips in your car. But if you're as clean as me, let's say, I personally, you know, like to do it quarterly. But you now maintain it perfectly with these 2 methods. Again, this is going to be 99% of what you do. This is going to be the 1%. And as always, our interior cleaner. Now, this product is literally going viral all over the world. This product is completely safe all over the interior, everything bar glass, because again, we have a dedicated glass product for this. Now, leathers, plastics, Alcantara, fabric, carpet. So this has got fabric seats, interior, pedals, interior, leather, interior. This product you can safely just spray on, wipe, walk away. So if you didn't know how to clean a steering wheel, now you do. Please let me know what you think, especially of this in the comment section, please. This is just awful. This should not be allowed. This should be banned and made illegal. But let me know what you think in the comments. Hope this video is helpful. And as always, guys, I will catch you all on the next one. Thank you so much.